TechCorr has the solutions to answer your critical asset damage and emergency repair calls.
The largest U.S. crude refinery is shut down.
There have been 2 explosions at a chemical works in Texas.
It's called the Mississippi River Pipeline. There's so much oil and gasoline.
That is home to about 17% of the U.S.'s total crude oil production.
The unprecedented storm is continuing to wreak havoc in Texas and parts of Louisiana.
The hub of the nation's oil refineries. Gas prices are up.
How long will it take to fully recover in terms of the pipelines?
Then they can start the process of getting back up and running, which I think should be encouraging to everyone, especially in the face of outages of gasoline in local retail stations.
How much more can you take?
Call TechCorr today to discuss your unique emergency inspection or asset disaster relief program. We'll have you fit for service in no time.